Well, good morning, Jeff.
Good morning.
So what are we doing today?
We are going to do a very different adventure today.
Yeah, it is very different.
A very different adventure. So our dream is to one day take one of our club sailboats from San Diego Bay and sail it to Mission Bay. But it's a really old boat and it's really dirty.
Yeah, really dirty. It needs some work.
Yeah, it's probably like a 1980, I would guess. Maybe later we'll find out about that. But we've never slept on that boat before. And it's probably pretty dirty. And so we're like, well, if we ever buy an old boat ourselves, we should know what it's like to try to make an old boat pretty. So we have rented the boat for 2 days, and we're going to go down today, and we are going to see how much we can clean this boat.
Yeah. How pretty can we make it surface-wise?
Yep. How beautiful can we make an old boat? So we're giving ourselves a day to do that. And so we've got all kinds of cleaning supplies and like hazmat suits and N95 masks and everything else, because there's probably gonna be mold and all kinds of really gross stuff we deal with. And then we brought our sleeping bags with us and our camp stove, and we are going to sleep on the boat tonight at the marina.
Yes.
And then go out sailing for the day tomorrow.
Yeah, it should be a fun adventure.
It should be a different kind of adventure, but a lot of fun. This is how we define adventure.
How often do you hear, hey, I'm so excited about cleaning a boat?
Exactly. He's so nice. Okay, you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Hey,
Hey, this is sort of crazy, huh?
this is really crazy.
But, you know what, when I look at the difference between this side of the boat and that side of the boat, I see a difference.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. Yeah, I can definitely, down in the, I've been working in the bow, and yeah, just a little soap and water and stuff really starts coming out.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I just put on the hazmat suit because underneath the cockpit, there's like, I think they're like mold spores basically. It's like you just see all this stuff like hanging off the top of the roof, and
Yeah,
it's like,
not good.
okay, time to
suit up.
time to suit up.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we're definitely showing this boat some love today.
Yes, absolutely. Much needed love. If you could see the cockpit right now,
Oh my gosh.
it is just filled with stuff.
There is like, this feels like a small boat with no space, but I have no idea how all that stuff fit in here. So we were planning on having me outside, like going through stuff, but it's like, no, let's just keep
Yeah, I
cleaning
think
in
we
here.
need to
Get
clean
everything
first.
cleaned in here first, and
Yeah.
then we'll figure out the rest after.
Yeah.
So, are you having? I know it sounds like a funny question, but are you having a good time?
Oh, I'm having a great time. You know what? If we were doing all this work and we weren't seeing any improvement,
Right.
that's sort of discouraging.
Right.
But you know what? That's not the case. We're seeing a lot of improvement, and it's really good.
Yeah, I'm surprised. I'm surprised the airflow in here. It's actually a lot better airflow than I thought it would be. I'm staying.
It's our little fans that
Our
we bought.
our little $10 fans from Home Depot we bought
Yeah.
that are rechargeable.
Yeah.
They're doing a pretty good job.
Yeah,
So,
absolutely.
Okay,
So a
well,
lot of work still to do.
we have a lot of work because if we don't get this cleaned, it's going to be really disgusting sleeping here tonight.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. I'm going to keep cleaning till it's ready.
Okay, let's keep cleaning.
Okay,
Back to it.
make sure you drink your water.
Yep. comes out in the camera. But look at that before and after, okay?
I know, crazy.
You can see like right here, this is dirty side this way and clean side that way.
Yeah, and I'm not done yet.
No, but that's doing incredible. Look at even this hatch right here. Look at this. This side's not clean. That side is clean. That is really something else, okay?
Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Hey, we found the registration. How old is this boat?
It's a 1978.
1978, and it's 2023.
Yes.
So is that like 45 years?
Yeah.
Wow, 45-year-old boat.
And it still floats.
Still floats. We've had a lot of good days on this boat.
Yep.
So, yeah, we are contributing back to our sailing club by touching every surface.
Yep.
Shining her up.
I know.
She's looking good.
Absolutely.
She's looking good. So now I get to do a big dirty job up here. So, okay. We'll keep going at it.
Keep going. This is amazingly clean. The whole boat, it's just shocking how clean it is. Can't wait to get this done. I want to get this done. I want to get the floors done. I still have this forward locker to clean out. So I still have some more. We have maybe an hour sunlight left. So I'm hoping it all goes well. We have cleaned and we have cleaned and we have cleaned and we have cleaned. But I think the boat is at least clean on the inside.
So now we're going to, let's see, it's probably about, what, 8 o'clock at night now,
Yeah,
I think?
probably.
8 o'clock at night, marina's all dark. We're going to go get our camping gear out of the Jeep, put the cleaning supplies away, and then start settling in for the night, make some dinner, and get ready to settle in for the night on the boat.
Yeah.
First time.
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll be fun. Good tired, but I'm pretty tired. Looking forward to the glass of wine and just relaxing.
Are we ready to switch into sailing mode?
We are.
Okay.
We're all fueled up, and I'm going to attempt to start the engine this morning.
I bet you'll be great.
Yeah.
Hey, nice job. 1.5 nautical miles southwest of Point Loma right now. Been on this tack for half hour.
Probably a half hour.
Yeah, after we finish lunch, we're trying to head due north, trying to see if we can make it to this other buoy before we have to head back in. It's currently about maybe 1:15, and we're thinking we're gonna call knock it off around 2 o'clock, start heading back, because we're guesstimating maybe 3.5 to 4 hours to get back to the dock. So we're just seeing how far we can go today in the time we've got. But it's beautiful. It's awesome. This is our destination. Currently 2.9 nautical miles and heading 350. But you can see from our prior course that we struggle heading due north. So we're waiting until we get to due south of that yellow marker, and then we will make our turn. So heading 351 right now. We're waiting for that heading to become 0, and then we will make our final tack to see if we can make it up to that yellow research buoy up there. 9, course to 0.
There's tack.
Ready. Mission accomplished. We're not even going to point the camera at it because you wouldn't be able to see it, but we are about, what do we say, about 1.5 nautical miles, a little bit less.
About 1 nautical mile.
About 1 nautical mile to the buoy, but we can see it out on the horizon.
Yes.
And yeah, that was our goal, to see if we could basically navigate our way to something over the horizon.
And you know what? We've talked about this buoy.
Oh yeah.
Quite a bit.
Yeah.
And we've attempted it, but we've never
come close.
Never come close. And so it's really, really nice to have the buoy in our vision.
Yeah. Well, and yeah, the thing that's cool about that is we had to sail very aggressively today to, you know, be as efficient as we could, keep enough speed, and have our directions as good as we could to be under sail the whole way and cover this much ground. We have covered a lot of ground.
Yeah, yeah.
So, but unfortunately, if we keep going all the way to the buoy, then it's going to take us north of Point Loma, meaning we're going to have to slowly sail around the south side. So we got to go to the south side of Point Loma anyways, but we don't want to have to head like way south to get there. And wind conditions are such, we could bear away right now and basically head straight at Point Loma, which would give us a fast trip back home. Yeah.
Personally, I'd like to get back before sunset.
Sounds great.
And so I think this is a good compromise.
Nice warm cozy bed tonight.
Yes.
Oh, with a real pillow.
Yes. It's been a great day.
It's been an incredible day. It's been an incredible day. Adventures can be of all different kinds.
Yes.
Even if it means putting on hazmat suits and cleaning mold for many hours and sleeping in an uncomfortable bed, and then getting up early and going sailing for the day.
Yeah. But it's all good. It's all part of the adventure. So from the Warrens to you, we want to just say keep on adventuring.
Thanks for joining us.